Hey, what is up, Kabroda crew? Welcome back to our recap. For this one will be for the weekend. We'll kind of just go through the trades that happened this weekend, what the battle box kind of pointed out. Yeah, so y'all just grab some coffee, sit back, and we'll kind of go through the weekend together. So to start off with, we'll start off with the Saturday, and then I'll move my lines around. We'll go to the Sunday. As you can see, Saturday kind of started off a little bit of sideways action from Friday, and then about 10 o'clock we got that breakdown here. So on the 15-minute we got the close below, and then on the 5-minute, and we'll go check that again. 1 sec, let me get to it. 5-minute, we got that retest of our breakdown lines, and then we continued downwards. So that would have been our first trade of the weekend. Let me grab my trade. So boom, right there. Throw it stop above the breakout. Then we probably would have ran to this line here, our 24-hour volumetric low. So almost a 2.5 to 1, or a little over 2.5 to 1, so not bad for the first trade of the day. If you continue to kind of watch it, it would have traded up, and then we kind of really just broke into the next day. So didn't really get another one that day. If you're more advanced, you could have taken this flip of the resistance here on the 24-hour volume rated low, so it's kind of already stopped. So then once we flip it back upwards, you could kind of trade it up. But that would have been the only battle box trade for this for yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the lines around, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, we're back on the 15 with the lines switched around now. So we got that break up, kind of break into yesterday. Yesterday being Sunday. So we got that. They started with kind of a little up run and then a flat top. And then really we kind of stayed there the rest of the day. We got a little bit of some breakdowns. They could have some false breakdowns, maybe like this one here. You could have been getting into that. You would have gotten out probably about right here. Maybe taking a zero to a little bit of loss if you were watching that. Maybe a false breakout here of the upside. A little bit of a, depending on when you took it off, a little bit of profit here, or a little bit of loss again. Could take in like a 1 to 1. But yeah, nothing really kind of took out the way that would have made sense. Nothing was super great on Sunday. Sunday, typically weekends are kind of sideways anyways, so not something we super expected to go either way. But yeah, if y'all were trading that, good job. Could have definitely took some trades within the chop if you're more of an advanced trader. But for the battle box system, at least, we didn't have a lot of trades that day. And now we're on to Monday, and Monday's kind of looking like a nice little upwards here. So kind of see what happens today. But hopefully y'all had a good weekend, got in on maybe this trade here, or maybe some other trades. But if not, hopefully had some fun with the fam, and yeah, just had a good weekend overall. So we will catch you in the next recap on Tuesday. I believe Maker will be making that one, but we will see what happens. So I will catch you then. See ya.